Hey, what are you doing here? I thought I was here alone. Well, since you're here, come with me. Check this out. Let's go over the library basics. First, remember the library hours. They're posted in your classroom. When you bring back your books, they go in the slot. Then you come over and get your card. You find your grade, you find your teacher, and then you find your card. All of the cards are in alphabetical order. When browsing for books, always use your stick. So, you take the stick, you put it in the shelf. You pull out the book and decide if this is going to be a good book for you. Remember, check the ZPD, read a page or two. If there's a blurb, read that. If you don't want it, you know exactly where it goes. Spine on the outside, address at the bottom. Now, you can check out your book. You can check out 3 books at a time. So, you take your book, your card, you hand it to Ms. Cleveland. She'll check it out and give it back to you. Then, you know what to do with your card. It goes back into your class list, back in alphabetical order. So the 2 things I want you to remember. 1, use a stick. 2, your card. Make sure you get it in the right place and put it back in alphabetical order. That's it. We got a lot of things to show you. So come on, let's go to the computer lab. This is the computer lab. This year, we're going to do project-based learning. That basically means that you're going to have a lot of projects to do, but you get to choose when you do them and how you do them. It's going to be a lot of fun. Everyone has an assigned computer. You'll get that the first day. Notice the computer. You have your number, you have your headphones, your keyboard, and your mouse are all nice and neat. This is the way it goes when you're finished.
Once you're at your computer, log in to Student Intermediate. I'm going to show you a couple new things that we have this year. When you open up Safari, the Internet Explorer, it opens up to your Renaissance page. I want to show you the new thing in PV Learners. Now, for those of you that don't know, PV Learners is a Google account that we have for Paradise Valley Unified School District. So this is what the page looks like now. So to log on to your email or calendar or any of the other sites that we'll learn later, you click on it, put in your PV username, which is the same as your AR, and then your district password, which is also the same as your AR, to sign in. The other thing I want to show you is Farmerama. Farmerama is an online farm simulation game where you will need to purchase crops, plant them, harvest them, purchase upgrades, and maintain your farm throughout the whole year. Well, that's all I really want to show you today. But for the final thing, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to PV Learners and log in with your information. Go to email, click, put in your username, your password, and then you can click on sign in. Make sure that this box that says stay signed in is not checked. You don't want the next person to automatically log into your account. When you go to your email, you are going to see a library and technology quiz link from me. Open it. It's more fun if you click on this link right here. And it looks a little bit better. What I want you to do is answer the questions, and at the very end, click Submit. At the end, it will give you a message that you've completed the document. Then, go ahead and get caught up on your email. It's probably been a while. Alright, so it's the end of class. You're probably going to hear me say something like, time to go. So we got to quit all applications and log out of our computer. Now remember, if you just click on the red dot in the upper left corner, it only closes the window, not the application. You need to either click on the name of the application and go down and click on quit, or hold down on your command key and tap the letter Q. That also does it. Then it's time to log out. You can see you can click on the black apple and go down to Log Out Intermediate, or do the shortcut. Hold down on your command key, hold down on your shift key, and then tap the letter Q. Well, as soon as I do that, that's the end of this video, so Look forward to working with you this year. Bye-bye.